When you're working with the Appearance panel, you have to be aware of the stacking order of the object's attributes that you're working on. In this movie, I'll be exploring the stacking order of attributes and how you can utilize those to change the look and feel of the artwork that you're creating. I'm going to bring out the Appearance panel again, and I'll dock it right here. And inside of the Appearance panel, remember, we have the ability to see all of the different attributes associated for any given object that we have selected on our screen. You'll also notice that they're stacked on top of each other. This works the same way that layers work in Photoshop or Illustrator. The objects towards the bottom of the stacking order will appear behind things at the top of the stacking order. So for instance, if I were to select this button down here, and I'll zoom in on it so you can see it, I can select this button, and you'll notice in the Appearance panel that I have a stroke and a fill. The stroke is actually above the fill in the stacking order, which makes the stroke the most prominent thing on top of the fill. If I were to move that stroke beneath the fill, watch what happens. I'll simply target it by clicking on it and drag it down beneath the fill. Once I do that, it automatically drops behind it, and you can no longer see the full weight of the stroke. If I wanted to move it back, I simply click, move it up, and drop it in. So no matter how many attributes you have, the stacking order comes into play every single time. You have to be aware of the stacking order of your attributes in order to make sure that things look the way you want them to on screen. So the next time you start to add new fills or new strokes to any artwork inside of Illustrator, be sure that you're working inside of the Appearance panel so that you can control the stacking order and the overall appearance of all of your objects.